was overthinking. Now I'm not thinking at all.
Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. Keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. All the products that I used on my face today will be listed down in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. And I really hope that you enjoy watching. For my face primer today, I'm using the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Not too much of this, and I'm going to just kind of pat it on like the center portions of my face. My foundation, I'm using the Rare Beauty one. I have the shade 170W. I was wearing this yesterday, and I just really like this one. It's really like easy to blend and not cakey looking or anything, but it does give a pretty good bit of coverage. So okay, I've got a nice even layer of that. I did it like quite thin. This is a really nice foundation to like, you can sheer it out, you can build it up, and it looks really smooth over top of that primer. So my concealer, my under eye concealer, is this one by BH, the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. I have it in the shade 100. Mine was getting empty, so I had to take the little like spout off, and I'm gonna just dip in here with the end of this brush and just put a little bit of this underneath my eyes on both sides and blend this on top of my eyelids also. Now I'm going to set my whole face, the concealer and foundation, with the RCMA loose powder. I just realized my microphone was not been recording, so first little bit of this video might sound a little bit weird, but that's why I have it going now. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to my eyes, and for my eyes I'm using the Too Faced. This is just the original chocolate bar palette. It's been a long time since I've used this. I'm going to try to create just like a soft pink look with this palette with some of these lighter shades here. So I'm starting with the shade White Chocolate from this palette, this one right here, as just like a base shade all over my lid, and I'm just kind of pressing it all over there and also like up to my eyebrow. It's pretty much the same color as like my skin, so it's not changing anything, but I'm just using it as like an all over base. I'm taking the shade Strawberry Bonbon, it's this light pink one, and I'm using it on my finger, and I'm just kind of pressing it all over my whole lid area. I'm also kind of dragging it up so that it is, you know, on my lid plus also above my lid a little bit. Plus taking this on the lower lash line also. I have this brush. I'm using my finger for the most of this because it picks up the most shadow, but I also have this little flat brush that I'm using for some of it. And now I'm going to grab the shade Champagne Truffle with my finger again. It's really shimmery, and I'm going to place this just on my lid. I'm also going to take a small brush and take that shade Champagne Truffle, put this in my inner corner with this little brush, plus right here along my brow bone. I'm filling in my eyebrows with the shade Triple Fudge from this palette, which is a dark brown. I'm taking this little fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take that Champagne Truffle shade again and use this as my face highlight. I'm contouring the sides of my nose right here just a little bit, I think, with the shade Milk Chocolate. Nothing crazy. I don't know if it even shows up on camera, but it's just a smidgen. I'm just going from like here down to the end. For my blush, I'm using the Whispering Rose palette by Voss. It's got, you know, these 4 shades in there. I'm going to use this one and just put it on kind of lightly. Oh, we got some blush. That's really pretty. I use this highlighting brush, which kind of picks up less of it, so I'm able to, like, you know, spread it around a little bit more. It's very sunny today, so the coloring is being thrown off a little bit from the sunshine coming in through my windows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some setting spray, and I'm using the Lottie London Stay Matte AF one. You can hear the geese screaming their heads off out my window. I got this recently, a couple days ago, and I've only used it once, so I'm trying it again. And I liked it the first time I used it. It does mattify your makeup, but it doesn't make you look, you know, dry or nothing. I'm going to add a little bit of this kohl liner. This is by Hollywood and Vine. It's just a black kohl liner, and I'm going to add this in my waterline. I'm kind of bringing it all the way into the inner corner also. About like that, just so it's over the whole, you know, entire eye. And then on the upper lash line as well, which I hate doing. I was swatching my lipstick on my lips to see which one I want to use. My eyes water really bad when I do the tight lining, so I'm going to be putting on a waterproof mascara. This is the Better Than Sex Waterproof by Too Faced. Before I do my mascara, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm using this one by Stila. This is the Stay All Day Matte Lipstick in Kiss and Tell. I don't think I'm going to line my lips first. I think I'm going to just, because this is very matte, so I think I'm going to just fill them in and kind of line them with the sides of the lipstick itself. This is quite a matte lipstick. I really like the color, but it's a little bit like patchy because it's so matte. So I'm going to go over top of it with this this lip oil that I have. The brand is sophia+mabelle. I usually use this as like a lip balm before I go to sleep, you know, but I'm gonna go over top of this with a little bit of this. Because I'm not really looking for this to be shiny, but I just don't want it to be so dry. I'm going to add mascara as the last step. And here's the finished makeup look.
But now I'm done and I want you back so I can feel again. I was over.
I'm wearing this little dress. I feel like I wore this dress quite recently on a video, but I could be wrong. I think it was a different dress with a little tie in it. It's really cute. It's got these little fluffy sleeves. I got it from Stitch Fix a while back, a year or so ago. And then it has warmed up a bit, so I'm not wearing tights like I usually do, but I'm wearing these little T-strap pumps that I really, really love. And I've worn them. This is the second day in a row I'm wearing them because they're so comfortable. So I can just wear them all day long, and I have no issue, and they're very, very cute. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more content from me, I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and as always, all the products I used on my face will be listed down in the description box below if you want to check any of them out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!